Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So people who have been working on Salesforce and especially with CircleCI, they must have come across some difficult issues when they are dealing with the pipeline itself. So if you are running your Apex test runs and unfortunately SFTX Apex test run doesn't provide any out-of-the-box solution where you can have your tests where you have your build failed in case the code coverage drops below the threshold. I'm talking here about the org-wide code coverage. So if that is the issue, there is a solution that you can work for, and that is what I will be talking about in this video. So for that, whatever the settings you have in your CircleCI.yaml file, so wherever you are running your Apex test runs, what you need to do over there is you need to install here jQuery. So the first step, as you can see in this step, I'm running all the Apex unit tests in the Scratch org. And if you currently what you need to do is like you need to update and install jQuery. So currently the settings that I have been using, it's Docker image which is run on Unix machine. So that is a format for that. If you want to customize it for your own machine where it is running, you can always do that. But for the solution that I'm talking about is the Docker image running on a Unix machine. So with this one, you first need to install jQuery using this top command, as you can see. And once that is done, jQuery, why we are using is like, jQuery will not only store your results in the JSON format, but it will help you to extract the org-wide coverage and perform the next steps, which will help you fail the step, if it falls below a certain threshold. So once you have added this command with the jQuery installation, next you just need to run your Apex test runs. And over here you can see the flags that I've been using, especially the JSON. So I want my results to be produced in JSON, and the jQuery will format it. jQuery, as you can see, this a dot in a single quote that will format your JSON results, and eventually it will store in a file named test underscore results.json. So that is how your results will be stored in the JSON format, and then you can utilize it in the next step to introduce the logic, which will help you uh, check what is the exact code coverage and if you want to pass or fail it. So that is the step one. So I will come then to the step two, where actually you will be working on the logic. So in my current situation, I want to confirm if Apex code coverage is greater than 75% or not. So for that, you can see the code over here. I've taken a coverage variable, and jQuery is used to uh, scan my test underscore results.json file, which I stored in the prior step, and the format of that JSON which I've found already is that there is an object named result. Under that there is an object named summary, and under that object I will be able to find org-wide coverage where the percentage value will be stored. So below that you can see the if loop I have started, and the first command under that is a numerical coverage. Why I'm using numerical coverage is like uh, the org-wide coverage comes with a percentage sign, and the calculations that we need to perform couldn't have any percentage sign installed with it. Sorry, percentage sign, to go with it. So we need to truncate the value, actual value from the percentage sign, which exactly have done in this numerical coverage variable. So over here, I just printed what org-wide coverage I got through the top command. And then, once my numerical coverage has the precise value without the percentage sign, so I can apply the logic. If numerical coverage is less than 75, then it will print org-wide coverage is less than 75%, and it will give an exit one. So this exit one will obviously, it will fail your step if this condition is satisfied. and your not only your step will fail, but your CircleCI entire build will fail, and a notification from CircleCI will be sent to all the members of um, uh, uh, to the distribution list, who are subscribed to that particular project which they are using for CircleCI. And if it is org-wide coverage is more than 75%, it will give an exit 0, and it will continue with the further steps in your pipeline. And that is how this will be handled. Some people, they also get some issues while reading the coverage file. Uh, Sorry, the test underscore results JSON file that we have. So I just added a check where org-wide coverage value is null or empty. It will also check for that. If that is the case, it will prompt the user, and again the build will fail. So I hope this informative video helped you with a very good step, which you can utilize in your CircleCI pipeline, and to work with a solution that will help you to make your CircleCI pipeline more mature. So if you like this video, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.